Hi everyone, today we are going to make veg biryani, and let me quickly run you through all the things that we need. It is a little bit comprehensive process, but then yeah, you will definitely love the taste at the end. So let's get started. First thing, the ingredients that you need 4 large potatoes, beans and carrots, finely chopped, not finely chopped, coarsely chopped tomatoes, green peas soaked overnight, and green chilies. This is coriander and mint. And then you slice the onions into thin slices, very thin slices, because we want it to be fried very well and come out to be crispy. This is how the onions will look like once you break them. Take a heated pan, add oil, and then fry the onions. As you keep frying them, they'll turn into golden brown, and they'll start coming close, and this is the end product. Take out the onions and dish them out. Now we'll fry the vegetables. Carrots fried, then beans and green peas, tomatoes. Add a cup of yogurt, 3 spoons of ginger garlic paste, another spoon. Then you will add red chili, 3 spoons of red chili. So this preparation is for about 4 glasses of rice. You will also add turmeric. Then you will add 75% of onions to the batter, and then leave the rest aside for garnishing. Take the oil that was used for frying and add it. Then lemon, 2 squeezed lemons. Salt, definitely add this at the beginning. I missed adding it, so add them in the beginning. 3 spoons of salt. And then we'll add ghee, which is liquefied butter, 3 to 4 scoops of ghee. And then we will do para-boiled rice on the side, and then we'll add it to the biryani mixture. So I have added rice on top of the mixture. Then we'll add more ghee on top. Garnish by adding onions and mint and coriander to the mixture. Then we'll add some color to the biryani, and once that is done, we'll start making the sauce. For the sauce, you will need onions, chopped onions, green chilies, again coriander and mint. Mix them well. Add a pinch of ginger garlic paste if you'd like. Add some salt, and then mix them well. Add yogurt, a cup of yogurt, and then this is the end product. In the meanwhile, you will keep your biryani for dum, which is around 5 minutes on high flame and 18 minutes on low flame.